Okay everyone, welcome back to CBD Yoga and Fitness. My name is Mike and welcome to this 21-day Yoga HIIT Workout Challenge. And today is day 1 and I cannot wait to share this amazing journey with you all. I'm so excited, I cannot wait. So our mantra for today is going to be I am capable. You are capable. So each day we're going to have like a little mantra that we say before each practice, and just to kind of keep us motivated and accountable throughout this journey. So with that being said, grab some water, roll out a mat, and let's get started. Okay, so we'll begin at the top of our mats, and we're going to do some sun salutations with a little bit of HIIT workouts mixed into them. So I like to call them HIIT salutations. So coming to the top of your mats, your feet can be hip width distance or feet together. Bringing our hands down by our sides, just take a breath, fully arrive into this journey, into day 1. Maybe repeating I am capable to yourself or in your head. Take a breath here. And we'll begin by inhaling, bringing our arms up to the sky. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, plant the palms, step it back to plank. And we're going to do 5 push-ups here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and at the 5th one, stay down low and we'll chaturanga into upward facing dog, keeping the core engaged. Exhale, back to downward facing dog. And from here, we're going to do some down dog push-ups. So keeping our fingers spread wide, palms pushing into the mat. Just bring the head down. You should really feel this in your triceps. Do one more, back to down dog, take a breath here. Inhale, come up on the tippy toes, exhale, bend the knees up forward, step, hop or float to the top. Inhale, halfway, exhale, fold. Inhale, root to rise. Exhale, hands through heart. Great job everyone. So that was 1 round of the HIIT salutation. So we're going to do 4 more. So let's get it. So inhale, bring the hands up. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale, halfway. Exhale, plant the palms, step it back. Give me 5 push-ups. Option to come on the knees here if you need to. And bring it down. From chaturanga into upward facing dog, core engaged. Exhale, downward facing dog. Take a breath, and then we'll do 5 downward dog push-ups. Come back to down dog, take a few breaths here. Use this downward facing dog time as a nice little rest. On your next inhale, come up on the tippy toes. Exhale, bend the knees, slip forward, step, hop or float to the top. Inhale, halfway. Exhale, fold. Inhale, root to rise. Exhale, hands through heart. And by your sides. Take a breath. Inhale, hands up. Exhale, fold. Inhale, halfway. Exhale, plant the palms, step it back. Give me 5 push-ups. Chaturanga, upward dog. Exhale, back to down dog. Then 5 down dog push-ups. Back to down dog. If you need to, you can take a child's pose at any time. Take a couple breaths here. Inhale, come up on the tippy toes. Exhale, bend the knees, look forward, step, hop, or float to the top. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, fold. Inhale, root to rise. Exhale, hands through heart. And by your sides, take a breath. Great job, everyone. We'll do 2 more rounds of those. Those are killer. So inhale, hands up. Exhale, fold. Inhale, halfway. Exhale, plant the palms, step it back, give me 5 push-ups. We got this. Chaturanga, upward dog. Exhale, downward dog, take a breath. Then 5 down dog push-ups. Back to down dog, take a breath here. Building lots of strength in the arms. Inhale, come up on the tippy toes. Exhale, bend the knees, look forward, step, hop, or float to the top. Inhale, halfway. Exhale, fold. Inhale, root to rise. Exhale, hands through heart. By your sides, take a breath. 1 more round, we got this. Inhale, hands up. Exhale, fold. Inhale, halfway. Exhale, plant the palms, step it back. 5 push-ups. Inhale, upward dog. Exhale, down dog, take a breath. 5 down dog push-ups. Back to down dog, breathe. Inhale, come up on the tippy toes. Exhale, bend the knees, look forward, step, hop, and float to the top. Inhale, halfway. Exhale, fold. Inhale, root to rise. Exhale, hands through heart. And by your sides. Take a couple breaths here. Great job, everyone. We'll be doing a lot more of those throughout. So look forward to that. So from here, on our next inhale, we're going to hands up to the sky. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale, halfway. Exhale, plant the palms. This time just step it back to downward facing dog. From here, we'll inhale, lift our right leg up, 3-legged dog. Exhale, bring the knee to right elbow. Inhale, right leg up. Exhale, knee to nose. Inhale, right leg up. Exhale, knee to left elbow. Inhale, right leg up. Exhale, this time step your right foot forward between your hands. And we'll inhale, engage the core. Rise up into high crescent lunge. And we'll do some lunges in this pose. So we'll bring the left knee down to the mat. So let's do 5. So inhale. Exhale, lower down, inhale up. Exhale, lower down, inhale up. Exhale, lower down. 2 more. Exhale, plant the palms. Move through your flow, upward dog. Exhale, downward facing dog. Take a breath. Inhale, lift the left leg up, 3-legged dog. Exhale, left knee to left elbow. Inhale up. Exhale, knee to nose. Inhale up. Exhale, left knee to right elbow. Inhale up. Exhale, step the left foot forward. Engage the core. Inhale. Rise up, high crescent lunge. And let's do 5 lunges. Exhale, plant the palms, move to your flow. Exhale, come back to downward facing dog. Inhale, come up on the tippy toes. Exhale, bend the knees, look forward, step, hop, or float to the top. Inhale, halfway. Exhale, fold. Inhale, root to rise. Exhale, hands through heart. By your sides, catch your breath here. Take a little water break if you need one. So from here, we'll take our feet as wide as the mat, and we'll do 10 squats. Five more. Okay, so from here, we'll lower down into a yogi squat, bringing the hands together at our heart. Try to keep your back as straight as you can. So option to stay here, or because this is a HIIT style class, we want to get that heart rate up. We'll move into a crow pose. So we'll plant the palms. Inhale, lift the hips up, walk the feet in line with the hands, and then bend the knees, bringing them into the armpit area, shifting forward, then lifting one foot up, and then the other. Exhale, come back to yogi squat. From here, we'll make our way onto our stomachs. We'll do some, I like to call them just back crunches. So this is really building lots of strength in our back muscles here. So basically, we'll just lift our chest up off the mat. Bring your hands behind our ears with our elbows out wide. And from here, we'll simply just bring your elbows to the mat without moving your arms. So you're just only moving your torso. So I'm out of breath. So we'll do that 20 times. So let's get it. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Five more. Exhale, lower down to your stomach. From here, we'll make our way onto our back. Almost done. We'll finish up with about 30 seconds of bicycles. So we'll take a breath here and we'll start 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Begin. Fifteen more seconds. Five more seconds. And bring your knees into your chest. Give yourself a big hug. Great job, everyone. Day 1 in the books. Come to lie flat on your back, final Shavasana. Soaking in all the benefits of today's class. I am capable, you are capable. You are capable of completing this beautiful, amazing journey. You're definitely capable of day one. You just proved that to yourself. Cannot wait to see you guys in the next videos in the weeks to come. You can stay here in Savasana for a few more minutes, or if not, we'll come up into a seated position. Bring your hands together at our hearts. Thank you again so much. Delight in me honors delight in all of you. Namaste.